Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integral. So now I will show you the technique. First, we do about factorization with ask and ask. So we will use about polar coordinate. So we can put about x equal to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta. We got about dy, dx. We change for r dr d theta. So we know that this one is about number 9 and this is about the circle. So we write the function in here. This one is about number 3. This is about negative number 3, and number 3. So we see that y is between this curve and this curve, and we know that they start only from 0 to number 3. So this is from here to here. So that means we got about this area. And now we create the new double integrals in here. So we have x, we change for r cosine theta. X square plus y square, we got about r square. This one we change for this one. So we know that this is about the radius. We start from 0 to number 3, and we know that they start from this one in here to here. So that means they start from negative b over 2 to b over 2 in this circle. So we put negative b over 2 in here and b over 2 in here. Now we just calculate this integration. So you got about r to the power of 4 cosine theta dr d theta. So this one you got about r to the power of 5 over 5, and we have cosine theta in here. We have the bounds from 0 to number 3. We put number 3 in here. So you got about 243 over 5, and we have the integral from negative b over 2 to b over 2 cosine theta d theta. So you got about 243 over 5 sine theta, and we have the bounds in here. So we put b over 2 in here, negative b over 2 in here, and you got about 486 over 5. That's the end. Thank you for watching.